Spotify is a great music streaming service, but if you don't want to pay for premium, you're stuck with ads, and you can't download and listen to music offline or RU in this video. I'll show you how to download songs from Spotify without premium. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start enjoying your favorite songs offline for free. To get started, first, open up the Spotify app. And then, when you are on the home page, go over to your library and then tap on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen to create a playlist after that. Let's go ahead and add some songs for the purpose of this video. I am just going to pick something random. So after you add your songs to your playlist, simply tap on this downward pointing arrow next to the Enhance option, and it will start the download process. And when the arrow turns green, it means in video. All of these songs are now downloaded onto my phone, and now I can listen to them without the internet. So this is how you can download songs on Spotify, but you do need to have Spotify Premium in order to do this. If you want to get 3 months of Spotify Premium, just open up any browser that you like and type in free Spotify Premium and tap on this exact link. So if you have never tried Spotify Premium before, come to this exact site and you can try Spotify Premium and download and listen to as many songs as you like without actually paying a dime. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Please subscribe Tech and Tech.